All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. I really like that it brings two options, the 12 and the 10 inch. I do really love that it brings 4 different chains, which is amazing. And obviously you have some things over here to help you clean it up, set it up, and all that stuff. It has some safety stuff here, which is amazing, and also a safety cover for the chainsaw itself. All right, now I want to show you on here, it tells you the direction of the cutting tooth, and on here on the chain itself it has these little arrows right here that tells you what direction to put it on. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's really easy. Now that I know the direction and everything, you just make sure that this falls right there. You'll see like a little thing here. Just make sure that it falls there and everything kind of falls on into place. And then let's see, let me show you. So the direction of the tooth here, and then on here it tells me that the arrow, it's kind of hard to focus on there, but the arrow is going that way. So I have it the right way there. All right, and this chainsaw is really easy to put in those chainsaw itself, or you just gotta loosen this up here, and then obviously you gotta make sure that there's no batteries or anything like that on here to make sure that it doesn't turn on by itself. But yeah, you just loosen this up, and then this will show you where to put the chain itself. All right, and what we're gonna do is go ahead and put the chain right there. So the chain itself goes on that component of the chainsaw, and then you put this metal piece right there, and you kind of just put everything in place here. And then the way that this thing does it is that once you put this will adjust the tension on there. And then let's see, let me just go ahead and screw this on here. And then that's kind of making the tension get really tight on there, and now it's all set. Really easy. And I want to point out, this is a Makita chainsaw, but I found this this converter here because I have a lot of DeWalt batteries, and I was able to use this with my DeWalt batteries on here. So let's go ahead and test it out. Something that I really like is that you can actually put oil in this reserve right here, so like that this chain always stays oiled up and lubricated. And that's the only thing that this doesn't bring a funnel. So you could buy one, they're cheap enough, and or you could just risk it putting it without a funnel. So this chainsaw has a few safety features, starting with this, where you have to actually turn it on right here, then you have to put this, then you have to press. Once you have both of those, it's more automatic because you just press this button and then press the go button. But I like that because I have kids and I don't want them to go ahead and do any of this stuff without me. So if I don't pull this, can't really get anything going, and obviously I have to press the power button. I really like that. Another added safety feature that this has is that if you leave it on by itself, don't touch it, it turns off. It just turned off. It turns off on its own. Let me see. I'll turn it on, and then I might cut a little bit of the video until it turns off. I think it's about 30 seconds or so if you leave it alone, maybe a minute, where it just turns off on its own. There we go. So it just turned off on its own. It's about 30 seconds, I believe. But that's if you're not doing anything with it, which I really love that because, again, I have kids. Other people could be coming in, and if I forget to leave it on and I leave it on like that, it's a really good safety feature. But as you could tell, I went ahead and just did this. This was actually really easy. I really like this a lot. I definitely recommend it. Especially, I like that it's electric. I don't have to worry about anything with gas or anything like that. Obviously, you do have the oil tank here, which is amazing. And like I said, this is a Makita for Makita batteries, but I got this little adapter here that costs like $10 or $15, and I was able to use all of my DeWalt batteries, which is amazing. Again, it's a really good chainsaw. I've worked with some other chainsaws, and as far as it goes, it's a really good chainsaw. I love electric chainsaws. I love electric tools because it's a lot easier. It's a lot lighter as well because it's electric again, and it does a really good job for sure. And I want to clarify, you might think like, oh, that's annoying that it turns off on its own and everything, but it's really not, because all you have to do is just press that button again and you're good to go, as long as you have this, engaged already. But I like that it has a little level or another layer of safety for everybody. It's starting to rain, so I'm just gonna go ahead and head inside, but I just want to show you with a few minutes of work what I've been able to achieve. I honestly definitely recommend this chainsaw. It's really good. I really like the safety features. Super easy to use and super easy to set up.